Concierge. Hello, welcome to the Crates Motel. My name's Conan. I'm the Concierge. Beat tape number 2 is out today. It's on Bandcamp. Firstly, I want to say thank you to everybody that bought beat tape number 1. Every single beat tape that is bought, the money from that goes back into the Crates Motel. So I want to thank you for that. I really, really appreciate it. And beat tape number 2 is available today. I want to say a few words before I play my pause button mix, the same as beat tape number 1. It's just like a little 7-minute pause button mix of all of the tracks on beat tape number 2, so you can have a quick listen. Most of the, no, actually, it's not most, all of the ideas on beat tape number 2 are from about 1999, 2000, 2001. So they're 25 years old. The reason why I'm saying this is because I am sure that if you make beats, if you make music, there is almost definitely some really, really good stuff sat on your MPC or your computer or your SP404, whatever you use to make beats. They're sat there, waiting to be finished. So if you do go through periods of not feeling very creative or not feeling very inspired, go back and have a look, because that's literally what I wanted to do. I want to get into the habit of releasing beat tapes every couple of weeks, every 3 weeks, maybe once a month. And to be honest, I was a little bit stuck, and I thought, you know what, I'm going to go through some of my old stuff. And that's exactly what I did. And before I knew it, I had 20 tracks done. 15 of them made the cut. 5 of them, I'm not really sure what I'm going to do with those yet. I might release a beat tape where I just release kind of B-sides, if you know what I mean, just the ones that didn't quite make the cut. Or maybe they just won't ever make the cut. Who knows? But it was that simple. I went through a load of really, really old ideas. And I did update them, obviously. You know, they weren't just finished ideas. They were just ideas. Some of them 2-bar, 1-bar loops. So I've updated them and obviously mixed them, and I finished mastering them this morning. Now, another reason why I'm saying I finished mastering them this morning is because nowadays we have so many ways of immediately releasing our music. We've got no excuses. If you want to put your music out there, if you want people to hear it, if you're sitting there thinking, how do I do it? Just sign up to Bandcamp or wherever. There are other platforms. Bandcamp's the one that I use and the one that a lot of other beat tape makers use, but there's plenty more out there. But there's no excuse. And I know I've been saying this in a few videos now, and I hope I'm not ramming it down your throat, but the thing is I do quite often see people say, oh, I can't get my music out there. Yes, you can. Finish it off in the morning, upload it on Bandcamp in the afternoon. By the evening, it can be out there. You know, there's obviously a lot of elements involved in it in terms of marketing and putting it out there. But again, you've got all these platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, etc., free platforms where you can push your music yourself, get them out there, build a following, build a brand, and just get your stuff out there. There really isn't any excuse. That is, of course, if you want to get your music out there. If you don't want to get your music out there, ignore everything I've said. So, beat tape number 2, pause button mix, have a listen, jump over to Bandcamp and buy it. That would be really, really good. Thanks very much.
Shine the light into the darkness, you know. But we prefer to think about the responsibilities we have to the music. The music is all-consuming, I want to tell you. It's tyrannical. You know, there's a lot of darkness out here. It's tyrannical.
What do you wanna know?
Absolutely amazing. But under the right circumstances, a producer could make more money with a flop than he could with a hit. Yes, it's quite possible. If he were certain that the show would fail, a man could make a fortune.
Yes?
Yes, what?
What you are saying, keep talking.
To get in out of the rain.
Concierge.